Welcome to the Splendid World of Tulips. In this episode, we will embark on a captivating journey through the enchanting and diverse realm of tulips. Tulips, scientifically known as tulipa, hold a special place in the hearts of people around the world. These iconic flowers are cherished for their unparalleled beauty, vibrant colors, and unique charm. Join us as we delve into the mesmerizing world of tulips. The genus Tulipa encompasses a vast array of species, hybrids, and cultivars, resulting in an astonishing range of tulip varieties. Their diversity extends to colors, shapes, and sizes, including shades of red, pink, purple, yellow, white, and even striking bicolored blooms. Tulips carry deep cultural and symbolic significance. For instance, red tulips are often associated with love and passion, while yellow tulips symbolize cheerfulness and sunshine. Each hue conveys unique emotions, making tulips a timeless language of expression and sentiment, often used to celebrate cherished occasions like spring festivals and garden displays. Many tulip varieties are celebrated for their striking appearance and elegant form. From the classic single tulip to the parrot tulip with its fringed and feathery petals, each variety possesses distinctive characteristics that captivate the eye. Tulips are widely cultivated in gardens, parks, and floral arrangements for their ornamental value. They can be grown in flower beds, borders, containers, or even as mass displays in vast fields. Diverse types, including Darwin hybrid tulips, Triumph tulips, and Greige tulips, each have their unique growth habits and characteristics. Tulips boast a rich history dating back to the Ottoman Empire, where they were cherished for their beauty and elegance. These blooms have enamored cultures around the world, from the Netherlands to Turkey, and have become a symbol of springtime and renewal. Tulip bulbs have played a role in culinary applications and traditional medicine. They are a source of dietary fiber and contain essential nutrients. In some cultures, tulip petals are used to make herbal teas and remedies. For centuries, tulips have inspired poets, writers, and artists, becoming recurring motifs in literature, art, and music. These flowers symbolize the arrival of spring, hope, and the fleeting beauty of life. Efforts are dedicated to conserving wild tulip species and heirloom tulip varieties to safeguard their genetic diversity and survival. In summary, tulips transcend mere beauty, weaving themselves deeply into human culture, history, and emotions. Their timeless charm and multifaceted roles, from expressing love to enhancing our surroundings, underscore their enduring popularity. Tulips are renowned for their adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from Europe to Asia and North America. Let's delve into their remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Tulips exhibit extraordinary versatility in coping with various climates. They thrive in regions with temperate and continental climates. Some varieties, like the Fosteriana tulips, endure cold winters, making them ideal for northern regions. Soil preferences. Tulips can thrive in different soil types, provided they possess proper drainage. Well-drained sandy or loamy soils are typically preferred, and they do best in slightly acidic to neutral pH soils. Watering needs. Tulips require moderate moisture during their growing season, but they can tolerate dry periods once they are established. Overwatering should be avoided, as it can lead to bulb rot. Sunlight requirements. Most tulip varieties flourish in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. They are known for their vibrant colors and upright growth when grown in sunny conditions. Regional adaptations. Tulips have been cultivated and hybridized to suit specific regions, resulting in varieties perfectly tailored to local climates and conditions. Dutch tulips, for example, are known for their exceptional beauty and are often associated with the Netherlands. Wild tulips. Numerous species of wild tulips are indigenous to different parts of the world, naturally adapting to their specific ecosystems. These hardy wild tulips are vital components of local biodiversity. Tulips offer a plethora of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various methods to incorporate their beauty into your outdoor space. Flower beds. Planting tulips directly in flower beds is a classic choice. You can create dedicated tulip beds or mix them harmoniously with other spring flowering bulbs and perennials to achieve a delightful mix of colors and textures. Rock gardens. Tulips, particularly species tulips, are well suited for rock gardens, where they add a burst of color and elegance among the rocks and other alpine plants. Container gardening. Growing tulips in pots and containers is ideal for those with limited garden space. It allows you to enjoy their beauty on patios, balconies, and even indoors. Naturalized plantings. Planting tulips in naturalized or wildflower settings mimics their native habitat and creates a more relaxed, natural appearance in your garden. Cutting gardens. Many tulip enthusiasts cultivate cutting gardens exclusively for harvesting tulips for floral arrangements. Tulip varieties with sturdy stems and long-lasting blooms are favored for this purpose. Bulb layering. By planting tulips at different depths, you can create layered displays of tulips that bloom at different times, providing continuous color throughout the spring. Mixed borders. Tulips can be incorporated into mixed borders, where they complement other spring blooming perennials and shrubs, adding diversity and visual interest. Tulip walkways. Planting tulips along walkways or in drifts creates a welcoming and colorful path in your garden. Mass plantings. For a spectacular display of color, consider planting tulips in large masses, creating a breathtaking carpet of blooms. Tulip fields. In larger spaces, you can replicate the iconic tulip fields of the Netherlands by planting vast expanses of tulips for a stunning visual spectacle. The versatility of tulips empowers you to express your creativity and personal style in landscaping. Whether you opt for classic flower beds, charming container arrangements, or naturalized wildflower settings, tulips can adapt to suit your space and vision, offering limitless opportunities to enhance your outdoor environment. Thank you for joining us on this splendid journey into the splendid world of tulips. Tulips have captivated humanity for centuries with their incomparable beauty, rich symbolism, and storied history. Whether you're a gardener, a florist, or simply someone who appreciates the elegance of a tulip, may these exquisite flowers continue to bring joy, inspiration, and a sense of renewal into your life.